Hey YouTubers, this is American Samurai back in with Heist Bets Unboxing 2. To recap, I pulled 2 DVDs out of the mystery set so far, and that is A Missing Link, and It's a Gift and a Curse, and It's Pro Wrestling Guerrilla. These 3 shoots I actually bought separate in a separate pack. And this one was the one I told you that they gave me. It's a special deal since I bought so much they let me have it for $5. So let's dig in and see what else we got in here. Okay. And we have RAF Shoot Interview Series Jeff Hardy. That's kind of cool. Okay. I hope they're not all shoot interviews. Okay, we got 2 here. Let's pull these out. Open. Oh. No. Open Ultimate Gate, Dragon Gate, and Florida Jeff Peterson Memorial Cup 2004. Let's see. Jimmy. Teddy Hart. Yeah. So it's the whole tournament. Cool. And open Ultimate. Let's see. Do I have that one? No. Open the Store Gate and open Untouchable Gate. Cool. So let's see, that's 3, 4, 5. I guess there's still 2 more here, I think. Let's see if we can find them, shall we? Oh, there we are. 6, 7. Here are the 2 others. We have Hardcore War from Philadelphia, Total Nonstop Action, 2006. Let's go ahead and have it. Bonus Philadelphia Street Right, Team 3D versus AWA, or AMW versus James Gang, X Division 3-way match, Crystal Daniels, Samoa Joe versus Crystal Daniels, AJ Styles, Jerry Lynn versus Peter Williams, former NWO champions Rhino versus Jeff Hardy, Knockouts, Gail Kim versus Tracy Brooks, Special Referee Hunting, Hardcore Match, Brother Runt versus Abyss, Sanjay Dutt versus Jay Lethal, and Shark Boy versus Simon Diamond. Simon has a problem. Total Nonstop Action in Philadelphia. I guess this is a high spot exclusive. Cool. And we have Extreme Fan Cam from West Liberty 5/25/97. FBI Little Guido and Tracy Smiley versus the Pitbulls. Chris Candido versus Chris Chent. Axel Rotten versus Hollywood Nova. Wolfie D versus Spike Dudley. Raven versus Stevie Richards. Sandman versus Balls Mahoney and Chairs King are legal. Tommy Dreamer and Beulah versus Shane Douglas and Francine. The Eliminators versus the Dudley Boys. So we have these are my 7. Not bad. Kind of cool they gave me a couple extra shoot interviews. That's kind of cool. A lot of these look pretty cool. I mean, definitely going to be great watching here. Okay, and now we have the t-shirt orders. I have 2 bags here. This is 2XL, so these are my brother's shirts. Let's see what's in here. Okay, and first off we have a shirt from WrestleMania 21. Oh, that is wicked cool. I think Jeremy will like that one. Jeremy is my brother, so there are a lot of you have brothers named Jeremy, so whatever. Okay, we have Batista Batista. Looks like JP got a lot of WWE shirts. Yes, that's 2 down. 3 is another Batista shirt. Are you talking to me? Yeah, they must really not be moving with Batista's merchandise. Okay. And next we have 3 Batista shirts. Seriously, they are not moving this guy's merchandise at all. And then the last shirt. This is another Batista one, I'll scream. Okay. The Big Show. They say it's the Big Show. Alright, this is American Samurai saying stay tuned for part